Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my latest tech reviews. Today, I am super excited to share with you my thoughts on the original Lenovo TS33 wired and Bluetooth 5.0 speaker. Let's talk about the features of this amazing speaker. With its 360 home movie surround sound, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, whether you're watching a movie or playing your favorite video games. The audio quality is simply unmatched, providing crystal clear sound that will elevate your entertainment experience to a whole new level. Not only does this speaker deliver exceptional sound, but it also boasts a sleek and modern design that will complement any desk or computer setup. The subwoofer adds an extra punch to the bass, making every beat and rumble feel incredibly powerful and immersive. One of the best things about the Lenovo TS33 speaker is its versatility. You can use it wired or connect to it via Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to easily switch between different devices and enjoy wireless freedom. It's perfect for both work and play, making it a must-have addition to your home or office. I can't recommend this speaker enough, and if you're looking to take your audio experience to the next level, then this is the product for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your entertainment setup with the original Lenovo TS33 wired and Bluetooth 5.0 speaker. Check the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.